What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a single cab Sleepy Eyes step side in for a brand new Chinese sunroof install with some black suede. Let's check it out the truck. We're ready to remove the headliner up on top. We have our template up there ready to cut out. Go black suede headliner, black out the visors, plastics, the usual here at Rob's Customs. Alright, when you cut it out, put the sunroof in, get some video of it. Sleepy Eyes. Well, actually no, it's not a Silverado, it's a GMC. My bad. GMC step side. Nice, even better. Alright guys, we got the sunroof roof part cut out. Sunroof is in. We're gonna go ahead and start putting the bracket and then the shell, the top bottom shell where the button goes. We have the motor there and the wire harness there. We're gonna go ahead and start bolting everything in place, get it powered up, and then I'll kick you back on once we get it powered. We'll see it open and close. Alright guys, we got the headliner all wrapped, black suede, came on good. We're going to install it, and then we'll start putting everything back together, cut it out for the sunroof bracket, and then we'll start painting the plastics. Alright guys, she's all done. Quick, easy install. Started at 9 o'clock. It's 12:30 now, so ain't too bad. Check it out. Badass. Everything blacked out. Sunshade. Soft touch. Here she is, guys. Another one done, came out clean, blacked out. Sweet. Like I said guys, these are the Chinese versions of the Webasto's. This is what they came out with. There's other little ones that have different style buttons, but I think this is the best one, the cleanest one they have, so this is the one I use. This is the button it comes with. But pretty much everything's similar to the Webasto, besides the shade. This one has a little round piece, the shade. Another Webasto had a round part where you stuck your finger in, and then the buttons were right here. But other than that, these are still they're still as good as the Webastos. It's just the style of the shell with the sunshade and the buttons. That's it. That's all that's different from it. But it's the same glass size, and it still functions the same. Just a button and the shell, but it still comes with the sunshade. So hit me up if you want a new install. I can do the single or doubles. Like I said guys, the ones I haven't tried them yet, it's the same shit as the Webastos. Just the button and the sunshade puller is different, but it still has a sunshade. So alright guys, came out badass, clean, suede. Alright guys, another one done here at Rob's Customs.